In just 24 hours, watch how we transform a dropshipping business on TikTok. TikTok, the dynamic stage where dropshipping dreams come to life. Welcome, I'm your guide from Ebox Man. Today, we embark on a journey to craft your brand's identity and reach a world of potential customers. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your brand identity. First things first, your brand identity. Think of it as your digital fingerprint. What values do you stand for? Who's your target audience? What makes you unique? Let's piece this puzzle together. Step 2. Create a TikTok business account. Ready to dive in? If you don't already have a TikTok account, sign up. Next, head to your profile settings and switch to a business account. This unlocks a treasure trove of powerful features and insights. Step 3. Develop a content strategy. Now, let's plot our content journey. What resonates with your brand? What speaks to your audience? Blend education, entertainment, and promotion for a dynamic mix. Plan your content adventure. From product showcases to brand storytelling, this is where your magic happens. Step 4. Plan and create engaging videos. Time to let your creativity soar. Brainstorm captivating video ideas. Showcase your products, narrate your brand's journey, or offer value to your viewers. Utilize eye-catching visuals, intriguing captions, and the right hashtags. This is your ticket to TikTok stardom. Step 5. Engage with the TikTok community. Building a community is the heart of success. Interact, like, comment, and share with fellow TikTokers. Respond to comments and be part of the conversation. Join forces with like-minded creators and influencers. Together, you'll amplify your reach. Step 6. Utilize TikTok's features. TikTok offers a treasure trove of features. Explore duets, take on challenges, and master effects to create truly interactive content. Ride the wave of trending challenges or set your own to skyrocket your visibility. Step 7. Analyze and optimize your TikTok strategy. Numbers don't lie. Dive into TikTok's analytics. Understand what works, what clicks, and what connects with your audience. Optimize, refine, and amplify your brand's presence. This is where magic meets strategy. And there you have it. We've unleashed the power of TikTok for your dropshipping business. Remember, patience and authenticity are your allies in this journey. Connect with us on social media for more expert tips and strategies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ebox Man for your regular dose of dropshipping brilliance.